That's freaking loud.
Definitely crazy.
Sheesh. Joy's got inters now.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. From the last episode, we got the headers in tune, and man, 9-8 difference. From when I had it stock to now, it's just been crazy.
But it's a lot better with the new tires. When we first got the tune, it was slipping a lot and it wasn't biting. But now, since we got these new 200 tread tires, they stick to the ground, especially when they get hot.
Last tires, they were tie rotting really bad in the rears, like really bad. So they're cracking, they were stiff. But yeah, let's look at it real quick. I know I showed it a little bit in the first few clips. Sort of managed to fit everything in. 200 tread wear, 265 35s in the front, and then in the rear, I got the big beefy boys.
The 305s?
Yep. 305 30 19.
Wide boys.
A lot bigger. And now I can really feel what the tune feels like. Because one of those old tires, it was just spinning the whole time. But now, it hooks and books.
Rev clips?
Yep.
Let's do it. Jeez, my ears.
Yeah.
Yep, that's freaking loud.
Definitely crazy.
All right, time to hear this in the tunnel.
Yep.
We're gonna drive with the target top off, so let's do it. Let's do it.
It sounds so loud.
Yeah, it sounds crazy. All right, y'all.
Second
Tunnel pull. Oh, it's gonna sound crazy. Woohoo!
That was a flame.
That was definitely a flame.
We'll do this one, burbles and pops.
Okay.
It only shot one flame.
Yeah.
It's not hot enough.
One good pop. Well, you know the mandatory rule. Every car guy, if you go through a tunnel, downshift.
Yep.
You have to.
Get space from this guy. Oh, the truck right there.
Oh, that's the one.
Yep.
Smells like a firework going off.
Told you, they feel different.
They definitely do. I felt that on my booty cheeks.
What do you mean by that?
It's not like the regular pops, it's like a boom. Cap the truck.
Cap the truck. All right, guys. We're in a tunnel. It's pretty dark. Hopefully when he passes by, we can see the flames. All right, he's about to pull up, guys. Come on, flame. I don't know if I saw it. Probably go again.
Did that one?
No, I didn't see it. But I don't know if like the camera, is it possible that I don't see it and the camera sees it?
No, you'll see it. That one didn't show one,
Okay.
I don't think.
Come on, car. I'm recording right now.
There we go. Okay, he's doing it now.
Do it right now, try it. I'm seeing no flames, sir.
What?
No, I did it earlier. I should be able to do one right now.
busted out my car so I can chase him and get the flames for y'all. Got it!
Yeah?
Yeah!
Okay, sick.
All right, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. That was lots of fun chasing Grande in my car. I finally saw the flames. It was my first time seeing it. And I saw like maybe 12, 15 times. A lot of it was off camera, so pretty cool.
Yeah, hope you really guys enjoyed that. It was fun.
And a few things planned too, upcoming hopefully in the next 2 weeks. And we'll show you guys this cool thing that we got going. So
All right,
now that we got tires.
I'll see you guys next week.
Peace.